Omo, Mr. Beast just hit 400 million subscribers on YouTube. No be joke o, this guy soon pass 400 million and the next person wey even follow am dey drag leg for 295 million. That is still series. So please rest, nobody dey pursue you. Mind you, this is history. No one, I repeat, no one has ever touched 400 million before. This guy don set a whole new record. But let me shock you small. This same Mr. Beast once had less than 100 subscribers, no fancy gear and zero clear direction. So how did he do it? Let's break it down like Naija Jollof. Let me take you back to the year 2012 or so. One young boy called Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, dey upload anyhow videos. Nobody dey watch am. No camera, no mic, just passion and YouTube mobile app. Then one day, this guy wake up and say, I want to count from 1 to 100,000 on camera. Yes, he actually counted out loud for hours. Everybody thought this guy don kolo, but guess what? That madness went viral, and instead of chilling, Baba say, I go double down on this formula. He started giving out money, buying food for homeless people, donating $100,000, giving away cars, houses, even islands, and people began to say this guy is different, he is crazy, but he is real. Now let me break down what you, yes, you wey dey watch me, need to learn from Mr. Beast's story. Lesson 1, you don't need talent, you need obsession. Mr. Beast wasn't funny, he wasn't a tech guy, he wasn't even a good presenter at first, but what he had was pure madness and consistency and willingness to learn. He watched YouTube like a student, studied what worked, took notes, tested 100 video styles until he found his own voice. You yourself fit do am. Stop waiting to be perfect. Start messy and improve fast. Lesson 2, let data guide your destiny. Some of you dey post videos based on emotion. I like this topic, bam, you don post am. This is my passion, bam, you don post am. Okay oh, Mr. Poster, post passion na, but is your audience watching it? Mr. Beast checks his analytics like pastor checks Bible. He knows what people love, then he multiplies it 100 times. If one challenge video blow, he go do am again with twist. If donating to strangers dey trend, he go scale am till it reach space. Me I dey talk am always, let your feelings rest and let your data lead. Check your YouTube analytics. Which video get the most watch time? Which thumbnail dey pull clicks? Which topics dey make people comment? That's where your goal dey hide. Lesson 3, focus on what works even if people call you cloud chaser. When Mr. Beast started filming charity, people were like, why you dey record helping people? You just want to trend. You are doing it for views. And what did he do? He ignored the noise and focused on impact. Today, the same people dey copy his style. He has built multiple businesses, launched food chains, created Mr. Beast Burger, opened philanthropy arms, all from starting with one crazy idea. So my guy, if one video style works, repeat am again. If your shorts dey go viral, turn it into long form series. If your audience like funny skits about Nigerian parents, create a full playlist. This is not the time to form originality for originality's sake. Na to scale what works, fast, smart and consistently. Now you go ask, but I'm not Mr. Beast now. I no get budget to give out 100,000 naira now. I don't even get 1,000 subscribers. Let me tell you the truth, Mr. Beast didn't start with money. He started with curiosity and learning and trial and error. You have something he had, a YouTube account and a brain. Use am well, learn, study, test, repeat. Obsession go beat motivation every single time. So today, Mr. Beast has 400 million subscribers and 1 billion views monthly. Brands and billionaires begging to collab, and the respect of the whole internet. But remember, this was the same guy who counted numbers on camera like a madman. So moral of the story, you don't blow by accident, you blow by strategy. Obsess over YouTube like say exam day tomorrow. Study what works. Let analytics be your compass. Repeat successful ideas. Ignore critics. Focus on your audience. Because on YouTube, na person wey sabi the algorithm and understand humans, they collect the bag. So next time you post videos, ask yourself, am I guessing or am I growing? If you learn something from this video, drop 400 million loading in the comments. Join my free WhatsApp group for creators who want to grow smart, not harder. Link is in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, no be luck, no be charm, na madness and consistency and strategy dey open doors. May the beast inside you rise too. And if you are ready to learn exactly how the algorithm works and let the algorithm become your best friend. The video that appears next to me will show you exactly how. Ensure you check it out. Peace.